Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's guide, I will show you how to find and copy your USDT wallet address on Bitget with or without using the QR code. So let's go. First, open your Bitget app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on Assets at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the Deposit button and go with Deposit Crypto. In the list or search bar, type USDT and tap on Tether USDT. Now select the correct blockchain network. For example, TRC20 for Tron, ERC20 for Ethereum, BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain. Pick the one that matches the sender's network. For USDT, we will choose ERC20. Now tap Copy. To copy the address, tap QR code if you are scanning it from another device. Make sure to use the same network when sending to avoid losing your funds. And that's how you find your USDT wallet address on Bitget. Just remember, always double check the blockchain network before sending USDT. If you found this video helpful, like and follow for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.